Hello and welcome to the Village at Towne Lake in Woodstock, Georgia. I'm Shonna with eXp Realty, and today we're going to take a tour of the Seaside model home here in the Village at Towne Lake. We are very close to Downtown Woodstock, very close to I-75 and I-575, where you can jump right on and be downtown Atlanta in just a matter of a few minutes. And this neighborhood is just an awesome place to be. It's very community oriented. The neighbors are very friendly, and there's just a lot to do here. There's a community with a pool, pickleball courts, a fitness facility, an awesome clubhouse. Anyway, I know you're anxious to see this home, and we are going to take a tour now. It's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. It is a little over 4,000 square feet, and it is listed at $1,349,900. But you could also have this home built in the neighborhood and choose all your own options. Let's go take a look. So first of all, we'll take a look at the outside. You can see it's quite stunning. It's a corner lot. They're still building in the neighborhood, and the Village at Towne Lake is a mixture of single-family homes, some that were built back in 2006 and 2007, and now they're still building single-family and townhomes. So this particular model is a 3-car garage. Because it was the model home, then this side is the 2-car garage, and it's been used as a sales office, and then this would be your 3rd-car garage here on the left. As we enter the home, you'll notice the beautiful hardwood floors. To the left here is the single-car garage. We have a little mudroom area. We can drop your things. Here's your first bedroom. This is a guest bedroom on the main level. And it does have access into the full bath here on the hallway. Check out that floor-to-ceiling subway tile. It's gorgeous. Rounding the corner here to the right, this is currently the sales office, but that would be your 2-car garage. And you come into this beautiful open area with dining, kitchen, living. Fireplace has marble all the way to the ceiling, built-ins on either side. Large dining space as we make our way over to the kitchen. Cabinets also going all the way to the ceiling. You have quartz countertops on your island, nice wood vent hood, 5-burner gas cooktop, farm sink. There's your microwave. You have double ovens. This is your pantry. And here we have a butler's pantry with a beverage cooler, cabinets, all the way to the ceiling. And behind the kitchen is your laundry room, where there's plenty of storage space. Cabinets above as well. And a table where you can do your folding or your ironing, whatever you decide. Now, making our way to the other side of the main level, you'll notice this little courtyard area with a dipping pool. Very nice. All of the homes here in the Village at Towne Lake have a courtyard area, and it's kind of up to you what you want to do with it. This is the primary suite. Check out that chandelier. Really nice. It also overlooks the courtyard. Hardwood floors. And as we make our way into the primary bathroom, these are heated floors. So nice on those cold mornings. A spa double shower. Very, very nice. I have a standalone soaking tub here. A wonderful closet system. There are dual vanities, quartz countertops. We have a water closet and a linen closet. Let's make our way to the second story. As we make our way to the top of the stairs, we first come to a nice sized bedroom on the right. It overlooks the front. Lots of light in here. And it has an ensuite bath. So we have a water closet, nice size shower, single vanity, cabinets, and a walk-in closet. There's also a linen closet tucked away here in the corner. Moving on to the other side, there is an extremely large bedroom here. We can actually fit 2 double beds in here, or probably larger than that. Also overlooking the front, walk-in closet, which is a great thing about the Davidson Homes here in the village at Towne Lake. All of the bedrooms have walk-in closets. Now this one goes through the bathroom here. Look at those faucets, just gorgeous. It's a full bath. Low tile, got the light fixtures. I think I missed that. Really pretty. And you come right out into this major loft area. And that goes right back to your staircase there. But check this out, so much room. You have a ping pong table set up, but you can have a pool table, foosball table. Have lots of space for hanging out and having family time. They have a little bar area here. This door leads to a very large storage area. So this is unfinished space. Goes all the way back. So you have plenty of storage. And then one last sweet little surprise. Here's your speakeasy room. Check it out. Didn't know it was there, did you? So such an amazing lounge area, hideout, man cave, whatever it is you're looking for. And it also has a half bath. There you go. Thank you so much for taking this tour with us today. Again, we are at the Seaside Model in the village at Towne Lake in Woodstock, Georgia. I want to ask you, did you enjoy this tour? I hope you did, and we're doing this every week. So if you would like to be notified when we have future tours coming up, be sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you soon.